It's a great day here in Central Oregon. It is December, but it hasn't snowed yet. Taking the truck out to explore the Fall River and see what I can find. At just 12 miles long, this relatively short but important river is unique in the Deschutes National Forest due to it being naturally spring-fed rather than snowmelt. It supports fishing, wildlife habitat, and contributes valuable cold, clean water to the larger Deschutes River system. Because it's spring-fed, it has very stable flow and cold, clear water throughout the season, great for fly fishing and scenic visits any time of the year. Fall River area is so beautiful. It's got a whole trail system. You can go for a hike, you can go running, ride your mountain bike, and just really enjoy nature. I'm not trying to blow spots up, but this one's on Google Maps. It's close to town. It's right off the back of the Lapine State Park, and you can just get out here. I always encourage people to come outside, listen to the water, listen to the wind go through the trees. It's good for the soul to be out in nature like this. I really enjoyed my day out here. Even though I come to this waterfall all the time, it never gets old for me. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.